This is a beautiful 1965 Olds Cutlass 442. Two-door hardtop, nice white exterior and charcoal interior. It's a 442, so you know what that means. That means 400 cubic inch engine, 4-speed manual transmission, dual exhaust, 4-barrel carburetor. There is the 4-speed. There's a tack there on the steering column. Here's a look under the hood. Beautiful condition. Love the color of that engine. And if you have the time to check into it, we have some information here about the 442 and what it included. Again, like the GTO, put a big engine into an intermediate sized car or even a compact car, and that was the key to success for many of these sporty cars. And there you see the information. It tells you with 103,000 miles that they did some renovation in terms of curing oil leaks, things that you would expect to happen at that mileage, and upgraded certain things, and there they are. I think this spotlights very well the fact that if you have a collector car, they are not maintenance free. Time has a way of aging components, so that even if the component doesn't fail, the seals fail. So it's a constant thing to keep your eye on the car's performance and looking underneath the car for drips and taking care of things. It's all part of the experience of owning a collector car.